the next question.
Next is, ito yung mga video.
Okay, what's the next question?
That's the next question.
This is my slide.
Okay, so
You have to zoom in. Zoom
when you bring home the gold in 200 fee style, what will you to whom do you dedicate it to?
Zoom in mo.
Me, bro.
Guys.
To your school because you're in their varsity and to the city of Angeles. Dedicate lang,
I'm not
dedicate.
gonna give it to them though.
Yeah, it dedicated to
And that's it.
the city of Angeles because you're from there and to the town of Pampanga. To the province of Pampanga because you won Central Luzon RAA.
Yes, I'm baby.
Lalo si Budoy daw wala ng ano, pero na-refund.
Ay, wow.
Buti na lang magaling si Yuri. Ano na wala? May nag-deposit sa
Wala akong ipin yun.
Ano, magbabayad para sa
Si ano?
sa driving school ng Friday dapat. Kaso, mga 3,000 lang naman, so di-deposit doon sa Gcash niya. Ba't Gcash niya? Gcash niya kasi nga, babayad niya, papatulong niya.
Nawala ko ng ipin yun eh, yung time na yun.
Babayad sa ano. Maya kinain. Kinain ng Gcash niya.
Ano kinain?
Wala? Oo. Alam mo si Yuri, magaling. Tumawag
Wow.
sa Gcash.
62K.
Nakakausap pala, no? Ha?
62K na.
On deck is event number 10